Good morning everybody in beautiful Adelaide. My name is Kamran Emami and I am the chairman of working group on adaptive flood management. I could not join you in this meeting due to personal reasons. Still, I do my best to contribute to the mandate of this working group. The mandate of our working group are to motivate ICID National Committees in various countries to set up their national working groups, to provide guidance, to compile, publish, update, and or translate documents on adaptive flood management, to promote interdisciplinary exchange of information, knowledge, and experience, as well as networking on the topic for proper understanding of the technology called development in the subject, to organize seminars at ICID Congresses and meetings to enhance deeper understanding of adaptation to floods and coping with floods, including community participation with focus on impact of floods on agriculture water management, to prepare a paper on adaptive flood management for publication in Irrigation and Drainage journal, and to finalize a publication on adaptive flood management. We have already prepared the paper for ICID journal, adaptive flood management. This is the paper, and the main function of adaptive management is coping with uncertainties. The paper explains the procedure, and this is the evolution of flood management techniques. In the past 60 years, it is becoming more and more non-structural and adaptive. And there are strategies of adaptive flood management, and we have presented a few case studies on large projects, on application of adaptive management in large projects in Iran. This is the Karkh Dam, which was impacted 1 year early, and it has enormous benefits. Okay, for our publication, we need some more chapters. We have a paper, very good paper from Japan, past flood disaster damages and past future flood countermeasures in Japan, and it's a very informative and illustrative paper. And I think all of us, in all the countries, can learn a lot from Japanese, because they have a really devastating flood and they have managed it. This is the paper, very informative paper, and I can share the paper with the members of the working group. And we have also another paper from Hungary, application of natural water retention measures in flood management, and it has focused on floods and flash floods in Hungary, and very important information on the experiences of flood management there. I shared both papers with the members of the working group. Okay, now my suggestion for completion of the mandate of the working group is finalizing the working group publication on adaptive flood management. We have already have the paper. We need some new chapters from Malaysia. My suggestion are Malaysia, Pakistan. They had a very devastating flood this year. Iran, we had flash floods in Iran in summer with total casualties of 100 people. United States, Germany, Thailand, and other countries. And my other suggestion is we should enrich our working group websites. Thank you, everybody. I did my best to contribute to the mandate of the working group, and I'm available. I may join you through virtual networks if possible. Have a good day.